3-4, problem solving, working backwards. So I want you to do this, or picture yourself doing this. Step 1, put your socks on. Step 2, put your shoes on. Step 3, tie your shoes. So if I did those 3 steps, if I wanted to take my shoes off, what step would I do first? So you should say that I would have to do the 3rd step. I would have to first untie my shoes. So I have to start where I ended. Which step must I undo second? I would have to do the 2nd step, which is actually removing my shoes. And then the last thing I would have to do would be the 1st step, which would be remove my socks. So you can see here that you do something, and then once you get to the end, you have to work backwards to reach some other goal. So let's look at this example. Lucy and Elena went to the mall. Each girl bought a CD for $16.50. So $16.50 for Lucy, $16.50 for Elna. Then you have each girl got a popcorn. So $3.50 Lucy, $3.50 Lena. And then you have $2.50 for a drink for each girl. Then it says all together they had $5 left. So they want to know how much money did they take to the mall. So in this case, you want to work backwards. You want to say, okay, well I had $5 left. So I add the $5 and I add it to each step backwards. So we have the $5, then you add the $2.50, the other $2.50, the $3.50, the next $3.50, the $16.50, and the other $16.50 to get a total of $50. Since this is a problem-solving lesson, there will not be a lesson review. Make sure to receive verification for this video. Working backwards is not only useful in problem solving, but it's also a very strong link when we're solving equations. You are going to be moving on to multi-step equations, and so working backwards is going to be very helpful in some of the word problems and some of the formats of the questions that you're going to see.